In Google Ad Manager, there is now an option for you to easily display a pop-up message for your users that are using ad blockers to encourage them to enable ads and support your site. On Google Ad Manager, go to Privacy and Messaging and click on Go to Funding Choices. It will then take you to this interface. Go to Sites and click Add. Enter your site name, and this is the name your visitors will see in your site's message. So make sure there is no error, capitalization is observed, and for the domain, enter your domain name and enter the homepage URL or the landing page of your site. Once all done, click on Save. Create your first message. Now there is also GDPR consent and CCPA consent, but we will discuss that in a separate video. For today, we will be focusing on the ad blocking detection. Select. Give it a name. This is for internal purposes only, so you're able to easily identify which message this is for. For example, I'll call this Health Now Ad Block. Select the language. And here you can select the message your visitors will see. With the first option, the users can either allow the ads to show or just dismiss the pop-up. With the second option, the users can either allow the ads or another solution. Now, if you choose this, an additional code implementation is required, and check out the Help Center for more information. For now, we'll select the first option. Here, you select the message placement. Do you want it bottom or centered? Let's select centered for now. Click Continue. Here you can modify the color scheme of your pop-up so it's customized with the look and feel of your site. For example, I'll change the header and change the font color and there it is. You also can change headline, body, and the buttons as well. And you have the option to edit the text directly in here. Click the pencil icon when you hover your mouse over that and feel free to edit. Once everything looks good, click on Save. Click Yes. It will initially say inactive for the status. Click and Publish. It may take up to 10 minutes before it's seen by the visitors. Click on Yes. Status will then change to active. To deploy this, go to Deployment on the left. For mobile apps, you have the SDK integration instruction in here. For web pages, copy the site script and deploy this into the header of your site source code. On WordPress, we're using Ad Inserter, and we are on the General Settings section. Under the Header tab, we'll deploy this, turn it on, and click on Save. Now I'll go ahead and resume blocking ads on my browser. Visit the site. And there's the pop-up. Please allow ads on our site. I can either dismiss it or allow ads on Health Now. If users select Allow Ads, it will then ask which of these extensions you have. Then it gives you the instructions on how to resume or enable serving ads. So for me, it's Adblock. Click and pause on this site. Refresh the page, and you don't get that pop-up anymore. And the user is then able to browse the site with ads enabled.
That concludes our video for today. Want to learn how to become an AdSense expert? Introducing PubGuru University School of AdSense. With 36 on-demand videos and over 3.5 hours of content, we will help you become a Google AdSense expert. Enroll today.